Oh man, this is my new house and I bought it. I need to go inside and see what it looks. Wow, I just bought this house, but there's nothing in here. Let's check this all night. This is your emergency alert system for your own leaving, but this is not a test. This is the killer mills. They're falling out of the sky and having their parachutes because they're really smart at them. Even that, if you have your kids, hide them. Close your windows. Lock all your doors. And if there's anything else, your shelter has to get in. If you have food and water, you will have to survive here. But this is your emergency alert system, and they're coming out of nowhere, out of the sky, falling with their parachutes. I swear, this is not a joke, because this isn't like it. So, this is not a test. If you have kids, I forgot about that. So, if you have your kids, hide them. Repeat, if you have your kids, hide them. So, when you have them, you have to hide them quickly. The killer mills have succeeded them. Also, they have driven and they fall out of the sky wearing their parachutes. Do not go outside. Do not open the mail and destroy it. And many more. Exist in the world. Yeah, like in the world, like every time. And also, so let's get moving. But first, I gotta get a minecart. All right, let's go. Yeah. You know what, let me just get this out. Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's taking long. Tunes for Cho. Here we go. One of this is called Mill the Tunes.
No, go back. No.